My access ID is GX6112. Today I'm going to be going over exercise 2 for our database management class. First things first, I want to show that the version of the SQL that I have on my Mac. I did that by going to MySQL-V. I have the 8.1.0 for my Mac through Homebrew. After that, we're going to go to the workbench here, and this was made through my root host, as we can see, and then this is where I created the user John at the local host. There's the password as well. After I ran and executed this code, the user John popped up. This was empty at first, but then I did add the code given to us from Canvas, and after that I ran the query. It went through perfectly. As we can see, we got the 3 checks here, and then the database was also created with the table. As we can see, the table is right over here. And after doing this, we went to the terminal. This is where I went to my directory, Eclipse Workspace, and then Database Master, Database, and SRC, which is the file that has the codes from class. This is where I compiled test2 Java, compiled fine, and then I ran it. This is where it ran. Here are all the results from it. No errors or anything with that. And to explain the test2, so first of all, we're going to import the package of JDBC by using these lines over here. Then we create a public class named test2. In that, we're going to be setting all our global variables for the Java code, and then we connect to a drive manager, which will connect us to the database protocol. I do want to mention that I had to use this second one here because I was getting the time zone error, but after I used that, the error cleared up, so now it is fine. This is the IP of the server here, port code 3306, and the database we're connecting to using the user John. After this, we create a statement. This statement here is used to execute the static SQL. The static SQL, which will display by calling a recursive function. This will point to the first row, and then the second row, and then so forth. Then we execute the query over here, and which will insert our values. These question marks will be where it will be inserted to, and this will copy the info from the user as well. We use setString in order to fill these, and then execute update, which is right here, so we can execute the query. And then inside of this, we have a catch statement in order to catch any errors that might come up from this. Otherwise, we can also close here by using the close function, which is at the end, public static void close. And also result set right here. This is going to get the results of the SQL query that we have. And that is my submission for assignment 2. Thank you very much.